Lightning. What do you imagine when you heard that word? So much energy, bright flashes, maybe Captain Marvel. So, can you imagine what can be if people can subjugate lightnings? Before all, let's understand how it works in nature. Maybe you already know what lightnings is electric charge, but where does it come from? All starts from clouds. Moisture rises from land to sky and gathers there in drops. Then drops congregate to cloud. In a cloud, temperature can be cold, so drops freeze and become ice. This ice in a constant motion, so they often collide. During this process, the top part cloud positivity charged and the low part negativity charged. If two this cloud coming very close and one be above and another below, charged particles jump from one cloud to other, and in that moment we see lightning. Same process can happen between cloud and land when positivity charged particles from land jump to cloud and we see lightning. Alright, if we already understand how lightning works, let's watch what people already know about lightning. First, when human only saw lightning, he afraid it, but when we start understand how it works, so we created list rule. What to do if you are in thunderstorm? We all know these rules from childhood. Don't hide under tree, don't use anything electric appliance, don't race to high place, but how it works, why we must follow that rules. Now I try explain you. From physics course we know that current follow the path of least resistance. So, because air have bad electrical conductivity, lightning hit to pillar, trees and same place that have the biggest electrical conductivity or the highest of near place. I hope you understand it. But people defend from lightning not only with rules. In 1755, famous for each of us Benjamin Franklin invented a lightning rod. Lightning rod is pointed metal pin which established on the roof of the house. From lower end of pin there is a wire which go to the ground. If not delve into the explanation, lightning rod creates a certain zone where lightning don't hit. Or if it hits a lightning rod which carry charge to the ground without any consequence. Okay, we looked at ways to protect, but do you know what people not only protect themselves from lightning, but also examine them? First artificially lightning was created by Nikola Tesla with his invention Tesla transformer. Another famous invention which created lightnings is Mark's generator. With this generator, scientists can create large lightning above 2 meters long. But there are even daredevils who make small lightnings at home with it. Unfortunately, now we only search lightning, but not use it. So, let's think how we can use it. First, lightning is large amount of energy, what we just lose. And in time when we strive to use renewable resources, lightning can help us. So, why we don't use it? The fact is that we have some problem with it. One of them, what lightnings don't going on constantly, like an ever energy source, and we can guess now, then and there it's going on. So if we can guess it, we still can't use it because we have another problem. We will need keep this energy somewhere. And last problem, we need cause lightning somehow. Alright, actually we can solve all this problem in the near future, but it don't be effective. If only we can find place where lightning hit often. We have this place. First of them is lake where lightning hit from 70 to 200 day every year, and at the peak of activity can hit 28 times in minute. Yeah, I think you're surprised. Yes, it's true. That lake located in Venezuela and named Maracaibo. Due to its location, it got such a different. In other places we don't have such congestion of lightning, but vary it often too. This place Florida and USA and another places. Okay, let's summarize. Now we can subjugate lightning for us, but maybe some when it will happen. And as always, thanks for watching.